Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on your DJI Lito X1. So first what you're going to do is put in the battery right here. So this is the battery, put it inside like that, and now what you're going to do is here you will see the button. So press once and then the second one, hold a little bit, just like so, and the drone will turn on. So let's try again. Just like that, and now we will see the lights under the back wings are flashing. So yeah, this is it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.